How to make an easy caramel apple cinnamon tea. Caramel flavor, fresh apples, cinnamon, and honey. This is not a dream. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a deep pot on high heat, add your water and wait for the water to come to a complete boil. Now add your caramel tea bags to the boiling water and carefully stir several times. Add the cinnamon sticks and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the heat down to low. Add the apple cider drink mix and stir well and cook on low for 15 minutes. Remove the caramel apple tea bags and cinnamon sticks and throw them away. Add the cake spice seasoning and stir several times. Now add the honey. You can add a little, a lot, or none. This step is based on your personal preference and taste buds. Stir the honey until completely dissolved into the caramel apple cinnamon tea. Begin by holding the apple firmly. Press down firmly and twist several times until the core has been removed. Now cut the apple in half. Then cut the half into quarter slices. Using a beverage container of your choice, fill the container up to 3/4 full. Then add your cinnamon sticks. Add your fresh sliced apples to your caramel apple cinnamon drink. Fill your container up to the brim with additional tea and then sprinkle with the cinnamon sugar. And your caramel apple cinnamon drink is now done. And here you have it, the easy caramel apple cinnamon tea. This tea is fantastic ice cold and even better hot. Why not bump it up a notch for the grown folks and add some apple liqueur as a hot toddy for those sleepless nights or to start a romantic night? Either way, you will not be disappointed. This is DESHANTAB. Thank you guys so much for watching. Trippin' Out, produced by music producer Mark the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And until next time, you know what time it is. Stop playing. Bye, guys.